Hey YouTube. So, this is how you're supposed to do this outside. I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this, but we have some scary shit going on in the world. The coronavirus has hit. COVID-19. It's done quite a number on China, and Italy right now. They're all on lockdown, which is just crazy. So I don't know when you guys are actually watching this, but Maine just got its first possible case. We're waiting to hear back results from the CDC. Could be a case down in Lewiston, which is not too far from where I live. It's about half hour, 45-minute drive. Kind of scares me because I got a low immune system, so makes me just a wee bit nervous. Well, I should be all good. I don't have to really deal with any customers to speak of, so just so you know, I'm not pressing hard at all on this. And this will flatten out. There we go. And we'll head back inside. Carefully, not applying pressure. And see, that stuff doesn't cure up really until, you know, you get it back inside and it gets warm. So if you put any pressure on it, you're gonna leave dents. So I will let those dry now overnight. Once again, I'll show you how I made these right here. Nice, straight. Advanced custom